Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this vlog. If this is your first time of seeing my face, you're very welcome to my channel. My name is Oiza and I am the Nigerian girl. I'm a lifestyle vlogger based in... It used to be based in Kaduna, but should I say based in Lagos now? We'll come back to that. So I have been AWOL for the longest and I just want to apologize for doing that. A lot of people reached out. Shout out to F8 Martins. I think it's Faith Martins. Please forgive me for murdering your name. She reached out to me on Instagram, dropped comments on my previous videos asking, oh, where are you? Come back. I miss your content. And it was just so touching to know that, oh, somebody's looking out for me. Girl, thank you so much, girl. I really do appreciate it. But I'm back now. And now I'm confused as to where to start from because we're in December and it's Vlogmas season. People are already putting out Vlogmas content and I'm wondering, God, where am I going to start from? So basically Vlogmas is vlogging every day until Christmas, and it is so challenging and tasking. This is something I've always been looking forward to because it's exciting. It's like showing everybody what you're doing every day until Christmas, and you know Christmas period is always so exciting. I'm going to an event today and I'll take you guys along with me. If you haven't subscribed at this point, please do subscribe. Give this video a like if you are enjoying it at this point. Share my link with your friends and just get your friends to subscribe to my channel because I need all the support and the love that I can get. So yeah, let's jump right into this vlog, shall we? We are on our way out. By we, I mean myself and
this pretty girl here.
Yes, okay. Okay. And we are off to VI. We're going for Bailey's Big Fest. This is actually my first time of attending. No, I said Bailey's Big Fest. Is it not Bailey's Big Fest?
I thought I heard baby.
Baby K. Baby from where? Have you attended Bailey's Big Fest before?
No.
So this is your first time as well?
It's probably my first time.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to?
Shawarma.
Yeah, it's just the shawarma. Me, I'm looking forward to tasting the Bailey's infused treats. Sharon was meant to come with us, but she slid us. Sharon, if you are watching this, I hope that thing you're sliding us for is worth it. Because I'm legit pissed, but it's okay. We're going to have fun and take bomb pictures, and hopefully it's fun. So we'll take you guys along with us, and it should be exciting. So keep watching. For 11 a.m. and this is 6:26. We're just about to get there. This is what we call proper African time. We just got here and it looks like they're about to end things. It looks like they finished. Oh my god. I think you should call me. Yeah, I definitely feel like we're standing in the wrong area. Oh my god. Fellow YouTuber, what's your name?
I'm Dami Lima. Check out my YouTube channel.
Yes, please subscribe, guys. Yay! I'm so excited. I don't even remember the last time I saw Toyosi. We went to uni together and she was my little sister in school. I swear, people used to think that we were actual sisters because we kind of looked alike. But now, some people are fat
and some people are smaller, and some people are just, you know, living life the way it comes. But it's so good to see you, baby girl. What's your YouTube channel?
Everything.
I'll put it on the screen, and then I'll also put a link in the description box. So please subscribe to Toyosi's channel, okay?
Help a sister.
And to announce the fourth position, I'd like to call up one of our judges, Bisola Boha. Please come forward. Guinness Nigeria, Adenike Adebola.
The first place goes to Timothy Adebola. Congratulations, guys. It's the grand prize of 1 million naira. Presented by the managing director of Guinness Nigeria.
So please can you turn this down a bit? So today, guys, I have an interview and I'm feeling very nervous about it because I haven't had one in such a long time, but I know that it's going to turn out great. I don't know, I just feel nervous, maybe because I'm hungry. I didn't wake up early enough to fix something to eat, so maybe I'll get something. If there's still time, maybe I'll get something before I go, but if not, I don't know, just hope and pray that it doesn't take so long. After my interview, I'm supposed to see a friend much later in the day, but I don't really know the plans. I don't know what the plans are. I'll let you guys know, sha. I just want to check in with you guys and let you guys know what's up. I came to the bank to get some things sorted. My interview went great. After now, I'm going to go and look for what to eat, and then I'll keep you guys updated, sha. So yeah, this is me currently at the bank. Yesterday the interview went really good, so I was asked to come back again today, so hopefully it means something good. I mean, that means something good for them to call you back second time. I'll keep you guys posted. I didn't do anything exciting yesterday, that's why I didn't show you guys or tell you guys anything, but we'll see how today goes. I'll let you guys know what's up at the end of it. Guys, good morning. Today is another day, another beautiful day to vlog. So yesterday, after the second interview, I got the job. I can't believe I am saying that I actually got a job. I thought it was going to be a hustle, but the Lord has got me by his side. I'm about to head out now, and Inka is going to take beautiful pictures of me. If the pictures are not fine, I'll not show you. I'll show you to shame Inka. So yeah. See her face, guys. It's much later in the day now, and we got done with the retreat for the day, and it was really nice. It was nice to get acquainted with the team. I met a lot of amazing people, my team, a bunch of nice people, and I'm back in the hotel where we're checked into. Let me give you guys a room tour. The rest of the team is downstairs, and I think they're by the pool. People are, you know, getting ready to jive because it's Friday, and I didn't make my swimsuit, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but I think I'll just maybe like change and sit outside there with them. I don't know, sure, but let's see how it goes. I'll take you guys along with me if it gets exciting.
Only two ladies in the water now. Good guy. Come on. Wow.
All right.
Come on.
Okay. Who is this?
Come on.
All right.
Come on.
Hey. All right. With the moves. With the moves. Guys, so I just got done, or we just got done with the games night, and it was so much fun. I met literally everyone. I made friends, and they're just cool people. Yeah, that creepy guy in the background. Are you catwalking? No. Are you serious? Wow. Wow. So yeah, guys, I'm on my way to my room because it's been a long day. I even left before like most people. Hi. Wanna say hi? I'm vlogging. Say hi. Hi. These are the rescue party. Hi. Okay. So I'm just gonna open the door. The hotel is so bougie that you have to use the key. You have to use this key card to get through the door. And yeah, I'm walking to my room because I have some work to do. I'm working on a video that I was meant to upload like a long time ago, but because of the fact that I went to camp and I just got back, I barely had the chance to touch it. So I'm working on it right now. I want to see if I can get the video up. That's this video you're watching. I want to see if I can get it up. Is it this video? No, it can't be this video. The video you would eventually see, like if you're watching this now, it would most likely be the second or third video since I got out of camp. So yeah, I'm walking to my room so I can edit it and upload it because there's free Wi-Fi here. And have you guys noticed that my accent has changed? Oh my days. Lagos is really nice. Lagos is hot. Jesus. Like it's so hot in Lagos. Like it's so bad that you can't sleep with clothes on. It's that bad. And to think in Kaduna it's already winter. Anyways, just wanted to check in with you guys. I would talk to you guys later. Just go to my room. Sorry. Let's go. It's okay. You just came to inspect rooms? Yes. Sorry. Okay, you guys. I was vlogging. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. But that's fine. Oh, you're vlogger? Oh, yeah, you're vlogger. Yes, I am. Oh. What is that? They're right there. Oh my god, my hair is like. Oh. First day in Hello. 7-9. And I wake up at 2 a.m. every freaking day. And then from 5 a.m. you're on parade ground. You don't have any time until 6 p.m. Which is crazy. That's true. Like, but look at everything they didn't wake up as early as 2. Fam. No, it's not that they wake us as early at 2. It's you have to get ready on your own because when you don't want to struggle bathrooms with people. You don't want to you don't want to have to run. Mm-hmm. You don't want the soldiers to pour water on your body. Yeah. You get it? Like you have to be ready. Yeah. How was your first day like? It was horrible. It was horrible. Like first night. Oh my god. Well, funny enough, I think I had prepared my mind. I had prepared myself like physically, mentally, and every way because I felt like I had heard so many horrible stories about camp, so I was already kind of ready. So my first night, I set my alarm to I think 2 a.m. Because I just wanted to be safe. I heard that if you wake up at 3, you get bathroom spaces, like you get to have your bath. and the place would be clean. So I was like, okay, I'll wake up at this time, have my bath, go back to bed. No, I wake up, have my bath, dress up, go back to bed, and then immediately they blow the bugle. I'm ready to go. You know, so that was how I handled like the entire 3 weeks, and it worked for me. So like I kind of got used to it. I still have not, what's the word now? I haven't adapted to being back. It's like sometimes I wake up at 2 and I'm like, oh my god.
Don't worry, it takes time. It don't take so much time.
It's so crazy.
So I feel like
oh my goodness.
NYSC is it. For me, I don't know. I think the purpose has already been defeated. It's just,
you get it. They just want to make you go through the process.
it's just a process.
So that you have an idea of. Do you know that some way somehow I kind of see the benefit of NYSC because it made me, as in while I was in camp, that camp, the orientation is where you make or break the rest of your NYSC year. The people you meet, the kind of mindset you get out with, or the kind of environment I know your environment affects how like you perform, how you behave. And you never know until you leave that environment, until you change environments. You get, so it's crazy like that. Hey guys, good morning. So I just woke up not quite long ago, but I feel funny, kind of feel sick. I have like a headache and cough, which is so ridiculous. This is what I treated when I was in camp. I got sick in camp. I don't know if I told you guys. I'm actually meant to go to KD next week because I need to pack my stuff. Sorry, I'm whispering because my roommate is still sleeping. I need to go to KD to pack my stuff. I don't know if this vlog is going to be titled The Moving Vlog. I can't believe it's happening.